Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a different kind of an unboxing. It's a USB 3.0 8TB hard drive enclosure. It's the actual case that goes around the hard drive. It's for a 2.5-inch external SATA hard drive SSD case. It's only the case. I picked it up off geek.com for $8.
You'll pay for this!
We're going to open this up and take a look at it. And it's happening right now.
Call now within the next 20 minutes because you know we can't do this all day.
Okay, it comes in plastic bubble wrap like this.
You've got mail.
Okay, it's a nice looking case. Comes with the plugs all set. Let's tear into it and open it up a little bit. And then I'll tell you some specs and some information. Aww. Oh, fancy. Nice little leather pouch for this.
Hey, baby.
Here's the plugs for your connection. USB 3.0.
Engage.
Okay, as you can see right here, it's a 2.5-inch HDD enclosure. It's a nice little item. Okay, to tell you a little bit about this, it's for high-speed USB 2.0 or 3.0, compatible with USB 1.1, super slim, easy to carry. It's black. It's 120 by 76 by 13 millimeters, suitable hard disk size for 2.5-inch output interface. It supports up to a 2 terabyte SATA interface hard drive.
Wow.
This supported operating systems are XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux and Mac. Yeah, it's very nice. It comes with the hard drive case, the USB cable, this being the pouch. And I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway on this coming up soon. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to subscribe.
Bye, have a great time.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.